A barbecue, or a barbie, as it's affectionately known in Australia, is so much more than just a way to cook food. It is a wonderful event, a gathering that brings people together under the open sky. Imagine the warm sun on your skin, the gentle breeze carrying the delicious smells of cooking, and the sound of happy chatter filling the air. At its heart, a barbecue is about cooking over an open flame, whether it's on a sleek gas grill in a suburban garden or a rustic charcoal pit on a sandy beach. It's a simple, ancient method of cooking that connects us to our past, a primal joy found in the dance of fire and food. The experience is what makes it truly special for so many people. The tradition of cooking meat over an open fire is as old as humanity itself, but the modern barbecue has become a cherished cultural ritual, especially in sun-drenched places like Australia. It's a way of life, a go-to plan for any sunny weekend or public holiday. This popularity stems from its sheer simplicity and the relaxed atmosphere it creates. There are no fancy dining rules or complicated recipes required, just good food, good company, and a good time. People love it because it's an escape from the indoors, a chance to slow down, and to enjoy the process of making a meal together, from lighting the coals to that first satisfying bite. It's an invitation to take a break from our busy lives. Fundamentally, a barbecue is a celebration of the outdoors and simple pleasures. It's about feeling the grass between your toes and listening to the birds sing while you wait for the grill to heat up. This connection to nature is a huge part of its appeal. We spend so much of our time inside, staring at screens, that the opportunity to step outside and cook in the fresh air feels like a genuine treat. The sizzle of sausages hitting the hot grill is a sound that signals relaxation and fun are about to begin. It's a sensory experience that involves sight, sound, smell, and of course, taste, making it a truly immersive and enjoyable activity for everyone involved. The beauty of the barbecue also lies in its accessibility. You don't need an enormous, expensive setup to join in the fun. A small, portable grill can be just as effective as a large built-in one. This means that anyone, whether they have a sprawling garden or a small balcony, can enjoy the magic of a barbie. The focus isn't on the equipment, but on the spirit of the event, sharing, laughing, and creating happy memories. It's a democratic way of dining where everyone feels welcome and at ease, which is a powerful reason why this simple method of cooking has captured hearts all over the world and become a cornerstone of social life. The true magic of a barbecue is found not just in the food, but in the people it brings together. It is a deeply social occasion, an informal gathering where friends and family can connect in a relaxed and welcoming environment. Unlike a formal dinner party, there's no rigid seating plan or stuffy atmosphere. People are free to mingle, wander around the garden, and chat with different groups. Children can run around and play games, their laughter adding to the joyful soundtrack of the day. A barbecue is the perfect excuse to catch up with loved ones, strengthen bonds, and simply enjoy each other's company without the distractions of everyday life. This outdoor setting plays a crucial role in creating a laid-back vibe. Being outside seems to lower everyone's guard, encouraging more open and friendly conversations. The host isn't hidden away in the kitchen. They are right there in the middle of the action, tongs in hand, chatting with guests as they tend to the grill. This interactive style of hosting makes everyone feel included in the process. Guests often bring a dish to share, like a colorful salad, a crusty loaf of bread, or a delicious dessert, turning the meal into a collaborative feast. This potluck style adds to the sense of community and shared experience, making the day even more special. Barbecues are the backdrop for some of our most cherished memories. They are where stories are told, jokes are shared, and new friendships are forged. It's a space where different generations can come together, from grandparents sharing wisdom to toddlers taking their first taste of a grilled sausage. The informal nature of the event means there is less pressure and more time for genuine connection. You can have a deep conversation with an old friend one moment and then join in a lighthearted game of garden cricket the next. It's this flexibility and freedom that make barbecues such a beloved social institution, a reliable recipe for happiness. Ultimately, a barbecue is a celebration of togetherness. It's about creating a space where everyone feels comfortable and happy. The gentle warmth from the grill, the shared task of preparing and eating food, and the beauty of the outdoors all combine to create a powerful sense of unity. It's an event that reminds us of the importance of community and the simple joy of spending quality time with the people we care about. In a world that often feels rushed and disconnected, the humble barbecue offers a perfect, simple remedy. Good food, good friends, and the great outdoors. It's a tradition that nourishes both body and soul. When it comes to barbecue food, the possibilities are wonderfully endless, but some classics have earned a special place in our hearts. In Australia, the quintessential barbie almost always features snags, which are delicious sausages sizzling away next to beef burgers and juicy steaks. Onions, sliced into rings and cooked until they are soft and caramelized, are another essential element, often piled high on a slice of bread with a sausage. Chicken is also incredibly popular, whether it's marinated drumsticks, tender breasts, or colorful skewers threaded with chunks of chicken and bright, crunchy vegetables like peppers, courgettes, and cherry tomatoes. These simple, crowd-pleasing foods are the foundation of a great barbecue. The way food is cooked on a barbecue is what gives it that unique, smoky flavor that is impossible to replicate indoors. There are two main methods, direct and indirect grilling. Direct grilling is when you cook the food right over the hot flames, which is perfect for searing steaks, burgers, and sausages quickly. This method creates those beautiful dark grill marks and a delicious crust. Indirect grilling, on the other hand, is when you cook the food away from the direct heat source with the lid of the barbecue closed. This turns the grill into an oven, and it's ideal for cooking larger cuts of meat, like a whole chicken or a leg of lamb, slowly and evenly. Beyond the meat, a fantastic barbecue includes an array of delicious side dishes. Corn on the cob, grilled until it's slightly charred and sweet, is a universal favorite. You might also find foil-wrapped potatoes baking slowly in the embers, becoming soft and fluffy inside. Seafood also grills beautifully. Prawns or shrimp are fantastic when marinated in garlic and herbs and cooked quickly over the heat. Fish, like salmon or snapper, can be grilled on a cedar plank to infuse it with a wonderful woody aroma. The versatility of the grill means you can cook an entire meal on it, which is part of the fun and challenge for any barbecue enthusiast. No barbecue is complete without a selection of sauces and salads to accompany the grilled delights. A classic barbecue sauce, tomato sauce, ketchup, and mustard are always on the table, ready for drizzling over burgers and snags. The salads provide a fresh, crisp contrast to the rich, smoky flavors of the meat. A simple green salad, a creamy potato salad, or a tangy coleslaw are all popular choices that help to round out the meal. This combination of hot grilled food and cool fresh sides creates a perfectly balanced and satisfying feast that is a true delight for the senses. While the Aussie Barbie is a beloved institution, the tradition of grilling is a global language of food and friendship, spoken in many different accents. Each country adds its own unique flavor and customs to the art of cooking over fire. In the United States, barbecue is a serious culinary art form, particularly in the southern states, where low and slow cooking over wood smoke is king. There, you'll find tender pulled pork, beef brisket, and ribs that have been smoked for hours until they are meltingly soft. The sauces are also a big deal, varying from region to region, from tangy vinegar-based sauces in the Carolinas to sweet and thick tomato-based sauces in Kansas City. Travel to South America, and you will discover the asado, a social gathering in Argentina that is a true spectacle of meat. The asador, or grill master, cooks vast quantities of beef, sausages, and ribs over hot coals on a large grill called a parrilla. The asado is a long, leisurely affair that can last for many hours, emphasizing community and the shared love of high-quality meat. In Brazil, churrasco is a similar tradition where large skewers of meat, like the famous picanha, that's rump cap, are grilled over fire and carved directly onto people's plates. These traditions highlight how central grilling is to social life across the world. In Asia, grilling takes on many delicious forms. Japanese yakitori involves skewering small pieces of chicken and grilling them over charcoal, often basting them with a sweet and savory tare sauce. In Korea, Korean barbecue, or gogi-gai, is a highly interactive experience where diners grill thin slices of marinated meat like bulgogi, that's beef, and galbi, which are short ribs, themselves on grills built right into the center of their tables. These meals are enjoyed with a huge variety of side dishes known as banchan. This hands-on approach makes the meal a fun and engaging social event, full of flavor and excitement. Barbecues are so popular for special occasions because they are inherently joyful and celebratory. Whether it's a birthday, a public holiday like Australia Day, or just a sunny Saturday, lighting up the grill signals that it's time to relax and have fun. The casual, festive atmosphere makes everyone feel at ease, encouraging laughter and connection. The act of gathering around a fire is a timeless human tradition that creates a powerful sense of togetherness and contentment. The smoky aromas, the delicious food, and the happy company all combine to create lasting, wonderful memories, making the humble barbecue one of the world's most cherished ways to celebrate life.